Cyber criminals are always looking for new ways to sneak into your life, and text messages are becoming one of their favorite avenues. Text message scams are already prevalent and dangerous in the digital world, so be on the lookout. Many text scams utilize similar tactics as email or voice phishing, also known as vishing, by using social engineering and available information on you to craft a text that you are likely to interact with. Let's take a look at some of the most common text message scams. Many of these scams offer something to their victim, like a prize, a low-interest credit card, or help with loans. But many of these prizes come with the cost of your personal information that the cybercriminal can then use against you. They could act as a vendor or service you use frequently, claiming an issue with your payment information, suspicious account activity, or sending a fake invoice and asking you to contact them if you didn't authorize the payment. They might use popular shipping companies against you by sending a fake delivery notification with a link that could lead your device to being infected with malware. Cleverly, cybercriminals have a lot of options when it comes to how they want to scam people through text. But you also have a lot of options for limiting your interactions with these scams. You can use the settings on your phone to filter out spam and unknown messages. On iPhone, you navigate to Settings, Messages, then turn on Filter Unknown Senders. On Android, go to your phone app, click the 3 vertical dots, find your way to Settings, Block Numbers, then turn on Unknown. Your wireless provider may also be capable of filtering out unknown senders, so try giving their customer support line a call. For even more protection, you can download a call blocker app that also blocks texts. Lastly, remember to follow the most important rule of dealing with text message phishing attempts. If you don't know the sender, do not interact with any links or attachments, and do not reply. Since its invention, texting has reigned as the #1 method of communication over long distances. This means that texts are used more often than email or phone calls, and that means cybercriminals are going to try to take advantage of them. Do not let them get the upper hand. Start protecting your text messages today.